What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and today I got a Cricket wireless device to unbox for you guys. This is the LG Risio 3. Now, I've owned the previous Risio devices in the past. I've done unboxing and full reviews on those, so definitely interested to see what the Risio 3 does bring to the table. Now, I did purchase this for about $70 at my local Best Buy, so I'm going to go ahead and give you an unboxing and detailed hands-on. So opening up the box, you see you got the Risio to the right-hand side, the Risio 3. Some of the specifications: 4G LTE speeds, 5-inch HD display, 8 megapixel rear camera, 3 in the front, a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2500 milliamp hour battery, and HD voice. So I know these specifications don't seem all that impressive, but just still keep in mind this was only $70 off contract. So go ahead and open up the box, and again, I'm going to share with you as much as I can in this unboxing and hands-on in regards to the Risio 3. So as you can see, Cricket Wireless does do a pretty good job with their packaging. And I'll go ahead and open up the front of this plastic box there. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you what comes in the box. So you are getting plenty of reading material, as you can see there: terms and condition, quick start guide. Place that off to the side. You're also getting a Cricket wireless SIM card, so you do get that included. And this does take micro USB data cable. So you are getting a micro USB data cable, no Type-C on this. And moving on from there, you are getting your travel adapter. So doesn't look like there's going to be any type of fast charging capabilities on the Risio 3. Now what's cool is the fact that you are getting a removable 2500 milliamp hour battery. So I like the fact that it is removable. It's not embedded into the device, and 2500 with these specifications should be pretty decent. All right, to the LG Risio 3. So this is looking very similar to the LG Aristo 2 for Metro PCS. Very similar design. You got that large chin to the bottom of the device. 3 megapixel front-facing camera, ear speaker. To the right-hand side, there's absolutely no buttons whatsoever. And taking a look at the bottom there, you are getting your 3.5mm headphone jack, your micro USB charging port, as well as a microphone. Now you can see the little curvature to the corners there on the Risio 3. To the left-hand side, you can see you do got your volume rockers there, and they seem to be positioned pretty good. And taking a look at the top of the Risio 3, you do have a noise cancellation mic. And as you can see, you are getting two different colors: black to the front and then this blue colored back cover. Also getting an 8 megapixel rear facing camera, and it does appear to be nice and flush to the back, LED flash. And I know that does probably appear to look like a fingerprint sensor, but it is not. It's just the power button, Cricket branding, LG branding, and then a back firing speaker. Now this back cover is not going to be picking up a whole lot of fingerprints or oils, and it doesn't appear like it's going to be slippery or anything like that. Now this back cover is removable, which is nice. I'll go ahead and remove the back cover real quick just to show you that the back cover is removable, and removing the back cover is going to get you access to your 2 slots for your nano SIM card, and you can also input a micro SD card to expand the internal storage on the LG Risio 3. So I got the 2500 milliamp hour battery. I'm going to go ahead and place it into the Risio 3 and go ahead and place the back cover on. Now I am a big fan of, plastic built devices, because if this back cover does ever get damaged, you can always just replace it. Go ahead and power on the LG Risio 3, removing the screen protector. As you can see there, LG Life's Good. And I'm going to go ahead and set this all up, and like I mentioned, I'm going to give you some more detailed hands-on and try to give you as much information about the Risio 3 just in case you are considering picking this up. So, alright, so I got the Risio 3 all set up and ready to go. And again, keep in mind that is not a fingerprint sensor to the back, it is just the power button. Now you also have the feature of double tap to wake, as well as the double tap to sleep option on the Risio 3. You got your screen lock animation there and into the home screen. So again, a 5-inch HD display. So this is going to be 720p resolution. And I'll go ahead and jump into the Google folder. And these are all the pre-installed Google applications that are on the Risio 3. Now I haven't connected this to Wi-Fi, so nothing has been downloaded. This is just fresh out of the box. So jumping into the messaging application, I always include this in my unboxing and hands-on videos because I know a lot of people are interested in the messaging keyboard as well as the different emojis that are pre-installed on the device. So I'll go ahead and jump and share with you, just a couple of these different emojis. that is on the LG Risio 3. Now also go ahead and filter through a couple of these here so you just have a clear picture. Moving on from the messaging application, as you can see, you got a couple folders up on top. So this is the entertainment folder, and you have about 9 different applications within this entertainment folder. Go ahead and check out next the management folder. And as you can see there, you got your smart cleaning application. You got LG Smart World on this, and Facebook, Amazon Shopping is pre-installed. Got a couple Cricket Wireless applications as well. So sliding down on the home screen gets you into your Google search option there, and then your recent activities. So this is actually pretty cool just by sliding down on the home screen. Now with your on-screen buttons here, they can be hidden, which is a pretty nice feature there. You just swipe up to have the on-screen buttons appear, and then this little dot to the left will make the on-screen buttons disappear. So pretty good stuff there. And go ahead and pull down the status bar next, and as you can see, you do got auto brightness on this, so that is nice to see. And we are definitely running Nougat on the LG Risio 3. And those are some of the quick toggles you have on your status bar right there. So Wi-Fi calling, you got your flashlight option. Jumping into settings here, I'll go ahead and just kind of share with you some of the features you have available. So you got your Wi-Fi, and it doesn't look like this connects to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, just 2 gigahertz, as you can see there, 2.4, and that's what you got under Wi-Fi. And you got your Bluetooth option as well. You got your data manager, call settings, and then you got share and connect. And I'm pretty sure this does not have NFC, and no, it doesn't. So no NFC aboard the LG Risio 3. Now you do got mobile hotspot and tethering. So I know a lot of people do like having that feature on smartphones, so you do have that on the Risio 3. The more option there just gets you into your VPN and wireless emergency alerts. So I'll go ahead and check out sounds and notifications now. So you got your ringtone ID, sound with vibration, do not disturb, just a lot of basic LG type of options under settings, as you can see there. So if you're coming from another LG phone, you should definitely feel very comfortable using the Risio 3. Into home screen, I'm going to go ahead and click on select home, because right here is where you get the option for the home and app drawer. So the Risio 3 out of the box doesn't have an app drawer, but as you can see there, you can definitely enable the app drawer underneath settings, and this is basically how it's going to look. Up on top, you do have an option to search for a specific application, and then you also have these 3 little dots up on top, so you can sort your apps, hide apps, and arrange your applications as well. So as you can see there, you do have the multi-window option available on the Risio 3. So it's basically just giving you some instructions on how to enable the multi-window, and into icons and shapes. So you got 2 different options here, original and rounded squares. So it's pretty neat. And then you can change the grid, loop the home screen, so you got that option as well. So let's go ahead and see what else I can share with you here. So you got a theme option as well. So if you get a little bit bored with how the Risio 3 looks out of the box, you can always download different types of themes underneath settings or LG Smart World Home Touch button. So you can actually change up the button combinations, the color, and hide the home touch buttons as well. And again, if you're coming from another LG device, most of the LG phones offer this feature. I think all of them pretty much do, but yeah, you definitely have ways of bringing down the status bar, easier one-handed operation, Q slide application. So that's nice. I always like the fact that LG allows you to rearrange the on-screen buttons. So again, you can change the color combination to white to black, and you can also hide the home touch buttons. And then you get a variety of other options available as well. Display size, comfort view, auto rotate the screen, and so yeah. And I'll go ahead and jump into lock screen, because I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the security features you have. Again, no fingerprint sensor, so you get swipe, pattern, pin, and password. Unfortunately, not a fingerprint sensor. But those are the security features that you have available for the Risio 3, and you got some additional options available. And go ahead and check out some other features here. So you do got shortcut keys available. So as you can see, easy access to Capture Plus and quick launching the camera. Now, if you're wondering how to screenshot on the Risio 3, it's very simple. Volume down and power button. What you want to do is press them both at the same time. Hold for about a second, and you'll be able to capture that screenshot just like that. And then you can go ahead and pull down the status bar and you'll see the screenshot has been captured. You get an option to share and delete, and also be saved underneath your gallery as well. So that is, something else you have there. And I'll go ahead and check out this gaming option here. So this is actually pretty cool. So you have a option for game tools that is available, as you can see there. So tap on the game tools icon in the home touch button when you are in a game. So that's actually, I like that feature. Game graphics, if I had a game downloaded, you can actually adjust the graphics on the LG Risio 3 when it comes to the games. And then you also have a break time option as well. So it's good to see this gaming feature available on the Risio 3. And then going into storage, as you can see, you do have 16 gigabytes of internal storage. And out of the box, I've used 6.05 gigabytes. So that is, haven't downloaded any type of application whatsoever. But of course, you can always input a micro SD card to expand the storage. You got smart cleaning on this. And then into About Phone, I'll go ahead and go into software info. February 1st, 2018 security patch. That's what it's on out of the box, and Android 7.1.2. Good stuff to see there. 7.1.2 is, still very good in my opinion, especially on a $70 device. Let's go ahead and move on to the cameras. So again, an 8 megapixel rear facing camera, 3 megapixel front facing camera. Now shutter speed seems to be okay here on the Risio 3. You got, the burst shot if you long press on the shutter button there. Quick share option right from the camera interface. And, this is just looking like basic LG camera interface. That's what it looks like here. We'll go ahead and record a little video here just so you can kind of have an idea of the type of quality. Again, I'm not too sure if I'm going to do a full review on the Risio 3. If you'd like a full review, let me know in the comments section below. But, it's looking pretty decent so far. You also have the option to take a photo while you are recording, as well as pause and resume. So good stuff there. And go ahead and see what else we got here in the camera. So you got a couple filters to choose from, as you can see there. So, you can have a little bit of fun with your photos. And into settings, as you can see, video resolution, it's going to be full HD. So you can record in 1080p resolution. And you got HDR option on this as well. You got your timer, and you have cheese shutter, tag locations, and grid. But that's about it for the camera interface. I think that pretty much wraps up my unboxing and hands-on of the LG Risio 3 for Cricket Wireless. Again, you can purchase this at your local Best Buy for about $70. And hopefully this video does help you out if this is the smartphone for you, or maybe you should go for something else. Again, I try to give as much information about the phone when I am doing an unboxing and review. And again, hopefully this video does help you out. If you enjoyed the unboxing hands-on, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.